After unplugging the refrigerator, remove the light shield by squeezing down on the top and bottom and pull the shield free. Remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the freezer air tower and lift the tower up and out. Next, remove the 2 screws on the evaporator cover located on either side of the fan. You may need to bow the evaporator cover outward to clear the ice maker receptacle and the screws on the left side wall of the freezer. To completely remove the evaporator cover, disconnect the light socket connection. Note the location and position of the Defrost Termination Thermostat. It needs to be securely clamped to the evaporator line for proper operation. To remove the Defrost thermostat, simply push the clamping bracket off of the evaporator as seen here. Note the reading on the Defrost Termination Thermostat seen here, and be sure when replacing to use a new one with the same rating. Here, the 58 indicates the open temperature rating and the 30 is the differential, meaning this thermostat will close at 28 degrees. To test the thermostat, go to the back of the refrigerator and utilize the 9-pin connector seen here. Note the highlighted symbol seen in the schematic indicating this plug has closed pointed pins. As seen on this small schematic insert, each closed pin wire has a symbol showing its location and color. Use these symbols to locate the wires needed for testing the appropriate component. Use the actual schematic for your specific refrigerator for a more clear understanding. Note the corresponding open-ended pins seen here, and also note how these pins are symbolized on the small schematic insert. Again, each wire has a specific color and location on the schematic for ease of testing at this plug. You can use this plug to test several of the components on the refrigerator by looking for the appropriate symbol and colors on the schematic diagram. As seen here, the Defrost thermostat can be tested using the closed-ended orange and pink pins. Note the location on the schematic insert. With your meter set to a low-resistance scale, the reading between the orange and pink wires should reflect a closed circuit as indicated by the meter. Note that if the refrigerator is warm, this reading should show an open circuit because the thermostat is also warm.